hello, and welcome to the first edition of Apollo Tires All About Sports with Manchester United. It's a quiz which, as the name suggests, is all about sports. And with us, we have Manchester United fans. We have members of Manchester United official supporters clubs and a few super fans as well. And they're, of course, competing for the title of United's top fan. Now, the contest is going to be happening over the course of initially 3 qualifier rounds, followed by semi-finals, followed by grand finale, which we will be live streaming for y'all. But yes, I'm very, very excited to be hosting this. We've got some very interesting questions, some easy ones, some very tricky ones. And it's going to be fun to see how our contestants for today deal with this. So this is the first qualifier round, and I'm going to introduce our participants. We have Nisarga Sarkar from Kolkata. We have Manu Vijayan from Pune, Akshay Agarwal from Hyderabad, and Nikunj Sabu from Delhi. Okay, I'll just take you through the structure and the rules of our quiz for today. So there's going to be 5 rounds across the quiz. In each round, each contestant is asked one question. There is no passing of the question. It's straight up. If you answer it, you get it right. If not, I will tell you what the answer is. You get 10 points for a correct answer. There's no negative marking unless you answer out of turn, in which you get -5. For each question, you get 30 seconds to answer your question. And our top 2 participants for today will qualify to the semi-final, and where there'll be 4 people for each semi-final, and then 4 people in the final itself. So let's jump straight into it. Let's get into our first round. And our first round is basically we're going to give all of you at your respective turns a jersey number. And you have to name 3 players who have worn that jersey number after 1992. So 1992 up to now. Some of them, to start with, are very obvious, but it gets a little trickier as you start thinking of more. Now, the trick is that you have to name all 3. You do get no points for naming 1 or 2. So we're going to go for all 3, and let's start with the beginning. All right, let's go with the first one. This is a question for Nisarg. Okay, can you name 3 players who have worn the number 11 jersey at Manchester United?
One is Ryan Giggs.
Yep.
Another is Adnan Januzaj.
Yeah.
And the other one is Anthony Martial.
Perfect. Got all 3. Well done. Brilliant. You had a few more obscure options to choose from.
I was thinking whether he wore 11.
Okay, brilliant. So Nisarg gets his 10 points. Well done. And next up, we're going to go to Manu. This one may be a little trickier, maybe not. But can you name 3 players who have worn the number 14 jersey at Manchester United?
Yeah. Chicharito comes into mind.
Correct.
Javier Hernandez for sure.
Yes,
Javier
that's
Hernandez. 2. Lingard.
That is correct. So wait, didn't you say Lingard and Chicharito?
No, that was Hernandez.
Correct.
Chicharito's actual
So,
name.
correct. Yeah, so that's 2.
Phil Neville.
Phil Neville is correct. Well done.
Yes.
Also, Gary Neville at one point of time.
Oh wow.
Yeah, Zoran Tosic, one of my personal favorites, Alan Smith. Lots of those names in there as well. Ryan Giggs also has won number 14 for Manchester United. So great. Manu gets his 10 points as well. That is superb. And now we're going to move on to Akshay Agarwal. Akshay, can you name 3 players who have worn the jersey number 17 at Manchester United?
Nani.
Correct.
Danny Welbeck.
17. Unfortunately, Danny Welbeck is not on that list.
Okay.
So that means you've got it wrong. But if you want to take another guess, you can guess one more.
No, I'll pass it on.
Yeah, I mean, there's no passing. You had a very easy one available. Fred
Blind.
Oh,
and Daley Blind.
Andy Cole also wore it.
Andy Cole as well. Yeah, Raymond van der Hau for older fans to get.
Yes.
All right. So unfortunately, Akshay, you have got yours wrong for this one. But don't worry, there's plenty of time to catch up. Nikunj, your question. 3 players who have worn the jersey number 12 at Manchester United.
Chris Smalling,
Yeah.
jersey number 12. Who else? Let me think. Who else? Ben Foster?
Yes.
I don't know the third one. How much time do I have?
Probably 10 seconds. In 3 seconds, I think you should just take a guess.
Jersey number 12. Who else? Smalling. Scholes also has worn it, I think.
Yes, that is correct.
Yeah.
Scholes has also won it.
Yes.
And
yes,
you have
yes.
got your 3 right. So
Yeah.
Nikunj gets 10 points as well, just on the buzzer. You got it like a second before your time was up. Well done. So that is the end of our first round. We've got 3 participants tied on 10 points each, which is Nisarg, Nikunj, and Manu. And Akshay unfortunately got 2 out of 3, or 1 out of 3 for right now. But don't worry, plenty of time to catch up. And we're going to move on now to round 2. Guess the nationality. So again, it's a similar format to the earlier one. We're going to give you the names of 3 players, and you have to give me all 3 of their nationalities. Again, all 3. Otherwise, it doesn't count. And you get 10 points for a correct answer, 0 for incorrect answer. And once again, we're going to start with Nisarg. So your 3 players are Sergio Romero, Darren Fletcher, Zlatan Ibrahimovic.
Sergio Romero is Argentina.
Yep.
Zlatan is Sweden.
Yeah.
And Darren Fletcher is Scotland.
Perfect. All 3. Brilliant. That's very well done. All right. That's 10 points for Nisarg. And am I saying your name correctly?
It's Nishorgo.
Nishorgo. Okay, brilliant.
Yeah.
Done. We'll get that right next time. Nishorgo has
sure,
10
sure.
points. Moving now to Manu. Your 3 are, one's very easy at least. Phil Jones, Marcos Rojo, and Marouane Fellaini.
Marcus Rojo, Argentina, because it's my favorite national team.
Okay.
Fellaini, Belgium, and
Yeah.
Phil Jones, England.
Perfect. All 3 right. Well done. Okay. We're going to move then. That's 10 points for Manu. Number 3, we have Akshay again. Your 3 are Edinson Cavani, Ander Herrera, and John O'Shea.
Uruguay, Spain, and Republic of Ireland.
Perfect. That is perfect. All 3 absolutely correct. Uruguay for Cavani, Spain for Ander Herrera, and Republic of Ireland for John O'Shea. I'm glad you didn't say only Ireland, because then I would have asked you to specify which one. But great, that's 10 points. And Nikunj, your question coming up next. These are the 3 that we have to answer. It's Juan Mata, Amad Diallo, and Nemanja Vidic.
Okay. Vidic is Serbia. Mata is Spain.
Yeah.
Diallo. I think Amad Diallo. Is he from Cote d'Ivoire? I think Cote d'Ivoire.
That is correct. Ivory Coast or Cote d'Ivoire is correct. So yeah, 4 out of 4 for this round. Personally, I found this the easiest round, so I'm glad everyone else is finding it as easy as I did. Okay, and at the end of round 2, everyone's off the mark. We have Nishorgo, Manu, and Nikunj at 20, and Akshay at 10. Less than halfway through the quiz, so again, plenty of time to start mixing things up. So now here's where things start to get a little bit trickier. So this is a round that I'm going to call the transfer roulette, and I'm going to give you a description of the player's transfer journey, and you have to identify the player for me. All right, easy enough. You get 30 seconds. And all right, for Nishorgo, this is your question. This is a player. His transfer journey is as follows: Cobb Ramblers, Nottingham Forest, Manchester United, Celtic.
Roy Keane.
Absolutely. Roy Keane is correct. Well done.
My favorite player.
Yeah, absolutely. Great. That's 10 more for Nishorgo. Next up, we have Manu.
Yep.
All right. So this is a player gone from St. Patrick's Athletic to Manchester United to Aston Villa to Derby to Sheffield.
Okay. He went to Aston Villa from United, not the other way around. Oh man.
You have to think a little retro on this one.
Yeah. I don't know. Dwight York.
That is incorrect. The answer is Paul McGrath.
Paul McGrath.
Yeah.
Right.
All right. Next, Akshay, this one's for you. This is a player who's gone from West Ham to Leeds to United to Queen's Park Rangers.
Rio Ferdinand.
Beautiful. Excellent.
Nice.
Rio Ferdinand is correct.
QPR gave it away, I think.
Yeah, QPR gave it away. All right. Okay, so that's 10 for Akshay as well. Nikunj, now your question is Auxerre, Marseille, Nimes, Leeds, Manchester United.
Leads to Manchester United. Huh? It's easy.
Yeah. Yeah.
One of my favorite players again. Number 7, Eric Cantona.
Beautiful. Eric Cantona
Nice.
is correct. So again, very tight at the top. Nisargo with 30, Manu with 20, Akshay with 20, and Nikunj on 30.
Nice.
All right. So now round 4. What's common? So we're going to be giving you a couple of players, maybe one or two, maybe more, and you have to tell me what is common between them. Okay. So for Nisargo, this is your question. What is common between Marwan Fellaini, Adnan Januzaj, and Andreas Pereira? Cool. We have
They are
that.
all from Belgium.
Perfect. Great. So Nisarga has got his answer right. All 3 players have, they're not technically all from Belgium. They have all Belgian citizenship. They're not necessarily from Belgium, but okay, we'll give you that one. All right. So Manu, this is your question up next.
Yep.
So besides being a goalkeeper, what is common between Peter Schmeichel and Fabian Barthez?
They have been part of Premier League winning sides.
Incorrect. The answer is that both of them have won a European Championship while playing at Manchester United. They won.
Only
the
2
Euros.
people have done it.
Oh,
Only
as
2
in
people.
international Euros.
Yeah,
they have
international,
won.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next up, Akshay, this is your question. So beside the obvious fact that they have represented Manchester United, what is common between Tim Howard, Jordi Cruyff, and Phil Neville? And I think that is time. Do you want to give me an answer? Take a guess.
No,
They
no.
have a brother who's played for-
Everton Football
Sorry,
Club.
wait, let him answer first. If he wanted to give an
They
answer.
have a brother who's played for United.
Well, I don't think Tim Howard has a brother who's played for United. But no, the answer is that all of them have worn the jersey number 14 for United.
Oh, no.
Oh. Yeah.
I thought 2 of them have played for Everton. as well.
Everton. Yeah, it was. There's a lot of stuff that you could have gone for. So unfortunately, Akshay, you haven't got that one right. But don't worry, plenty of time to make up for that. Well, we have one more round to make up for that. Okay. Nikunj, this is your question. What is common between Gerard Piqué and Giuseppe Rossi?
I don't know. I mean, they represented someone else at the youth level, came to United, and then left for a Spanish club.
No, unfortunately, that's not right. It's a very interesting one. Both made their Manchester United debut in the Premier League at the exact same age, 18 years, 8 months, and 13 days.
Too obscure. Impossible.
Okay, so right now we have a leader, Nisarga, with 40 points, Manu 20, Akshay 20, Nikunj 30. So there is a chance for either of y'all to in this, at least if Nikunj doesn't get his question right, push up and get a tiebreaker happening for second place. So let's see if that's going to happen. So our final round is trivia. I'm going to give you trivia-based questions about iconic players, goals, club history, player wins, that kind of stuff. And again, same thing, 10 points and 30 seconds. So let's go with that. Okay, Nisarga, your question is, Ryan Giggs was eligible to play international football for Wales and which other country?
England.
That is incorrect. The answer is Sierra Leone.
Yes, his grandfather.
Oh,
Wow.
Yeah.
His grandfather is Sierra Leonean, right?
Yeah, that is correct. Okay, Manu.
Yep.
In the 1999 FA Cup semi-final replay victory against Arsenal, Peter Schmeichel saved a penalty from who?
If I know too many Arsenal player names of that time, I'm not a United fan. The only guy I know is Dennis Bergkamp.
And that is correct. Dennis Bergkamp it is.
90th minute penalty.
Yeah. Brilliant. So Manu gets his as well. Great guess, Manu. Dennis Bergkamp it is. Akshay, we're going to get this one for you. This is to stay in the game for Akshay. From which club did Manchester United sign legendary player Steve Bruce?
Wigan Athletic.
Unfortunately incorrect. The answer is Norwich City. one of the few clubs that I think he hasn't managed, who are usually struggling for relegation. But all right, that's fine. We're going to finally move on to Nikunj, who you have to get this right to avoid the tiebreaker.
Yeah.
And here we go. This player scored United's United's last goal at Old Trafford under Sir Alex Ferguson.
Rio Ferdinand.
That is correct. Rio Ferdinand is correct.
88th minute corner. I was there at the game. I can't forget it.
Oh, wow.
What are the odds of that? Being asked a question about a game that you attended. Brilliant. All right. So let's have a look at the final score sheet. That means we have our two qualifiers. We have Nisargo with 40 and Nikunj with 40. Manu with 30, Akshay with 20. So Nisargo and Nikunj, you guys have qualified for the semi-finals. We'll be seeing you again. And hard luck to Manu and Akshay. But thank you for taking time out to participate in this. All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank
All
you for
right, take
having
care.
us.
And thank you, audience members, people for tuning in. We're going to be having more of these. We have 2 more qualifiers to go. So stay tuned for those, and we will see you on the live stream for the final as well. So take care, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.